Hi guys! Today's video is going to be recreating popular Instagram slime bestsellers, and I really hope that you enjoy it. The first slime we're going to be making is Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade from Parakeet Slimes, and this is a really fun slime to make. All we're going to need to start off with is some paint and some PVA glue. The only other ingredient we're going to need is lotion, and I recommend adding this because when you go in and add your foam beads, you don't want the slime to be too thick underneath, you want it to be quite soft. If you want, you could also add a scent, and I just added a blue raspberry lime scent, so it wasn't limeade, but it smells super fresh and super good. And then you just go in with your activator and activate it like normal and stir it until it pulls away from the side. And you do want to keep the slime a tiny bit sticky just so it holds in all the foam beads. And then I went in with my micro beads, and it's really important they're micro beads just to make it authentic. Next up we have Tyra milk tea from Slime OG, and for this it's basically the same recipe in that we use PVA glue, a paint and then some lotion, but the added ingredient to this to completely change the texture is vegetable glycerin. I think you can get normal glycerin as well, and I'm pretty sure both of them work. I'm not entirely sure, but I know that vegetable glycerin see-through, so you can use it in clear slimes to thicken up as well, and this is such a handy trick. So all you're going to do is just add it in, and it's going to melt down the glue at first and make it really sticky, and you're going to need a lot more activation than usual. But then for some reason, after leaving it for like 3 to 4 days, it becomes so thick and it's so fun to play with, and it really changes the texture. Last but not least, we have a tutorial that I actually did at the very beginning of my channel, and I did it completely wrong, so here we go again on our second go at making chewed up bubblegum slime by Glitter.Slimes. And this is one of my favourite slimes, it's one of the OG slimes that started the whole trend, and all you're going to need for this is a really simple base. And if you're wondering why the colour changes so much, for some reason this colour reacts with the air and turns a bit more orange, so if you don't have this colour at home, this one's just from Tesco's, then you can just go ahead and mix in some pink and orange and you should get this colour. And then the next step is so easy, we're just going to need packing peanuts, and packing peanuts are the things that come around packages just to like hold them in place and make sure they don't break, and you only need a few of them to add a bit of crunch, and it's so fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week.